กจิงลับน้อยยากขณะหากสเต็ปสัญญาจงขัดไล่ตริกริสาวอารจาร์พุสันกับละจานาลายงหากขัดอาร์ตริกริสาวอารจาร์พุสันริงกัดบัดเวลซัมลานักเลี้ยงว่าวิเวกซ์EMSPกับอีสคาเซลส์ดิสทริกอุลองบักเดย์กับกำชีซัมลาฮับเร่งกินกิอาร์งดฮับเป็นเต็บยากันเนชกิลาดปะไทยขบหากนอไพสงีจงขัดไล่ตริกริสาวอารจาร์พุสันอุบะวิเวกซ์อุลองบักินกิอาร์งดกิลดันกับจิงเดย์มันตาละอาร์ตโยบัดกันเนกับขณะกลมีฮีนาลายงบันยากันดูยูนลอร์กตาอุลองรูบาวนิวคณะอุเดยอุบลาเฮกันตาบัดลาลับยากีนักยิงซาจงอู
He's reached the age of majority. He is having a relationship with a girl. They've been having a relationship for more than 2 weeks. They've been in touch with each other. And yesterday at about 6:45, yes, 6 side and all that, she had left home on her own and met with the boy. And the girl was in the boy's house. So here we've registered a case. So missing report was actually initially filed, and after we found the boy and we found he's in the age of majority, while she's a minor. So we have taken a case of abduction and wrongful confinement. Right now he's being produced in court, and the girl has been medically examined and she's been handed over to her family. See, we have to first prove that an abduction and all that it's below 7 years. Yes, below 7 years, 3 years to 7 years and all that. Depending on the degree of abduction, if it's just abduction if it's for ransom, then it's more. So, I think it's very important that now parents talk to their children and come closer and understanding what they are actually browsing over their social media accounts and all that, who they are contacting, who they are meeting. Because sometimes children feel they know better than their parents. Yes, parents may not know how to use that social media account and all that, but parents have the wisdom of the trees. They will know how to guide them. What's only one element which is very important is that parents, both father and mother, should get close to the children. Then you get to know your children well. They'll be able to confide in you. Be with social media, be with friends, be with strangers. So that kind of bonding has to be there, has to be built. What happens if there's no bonding? Then the child depends on those role models or those friends or those the people which they meet in social media for any form of advice and counsel, which is very dangerous. So that bonding between parent and child needs to be established, needs to be strengthened, so that child can confide in parent and parent can guide child.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat badak ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya